Hi there, I'm Tyler from Food Liability Insurance Program. You can call us Flip. If you work in the service industry, you may have heard the term dram shop law. But what does that actually mean? Back in the 16th century, a dram was a small unit of measure for alcohol. While that method is long gone, the name stuck, so now we use dram shop to describe businesses that sell alcohol, usually bars, restaurants, convenience stores, that kind of thing. Dram shop laws or liquor liability laws hold the people who serve or sell alcohol responsible when their patrons cause accidents while intoxicated. The laws vary from state to state. Most dram shop laws hold you liable if you serve drinks to a drunk customer or serve alcohol to an underage guest. In some states, dram shop laws even extend to event hosts, holding them responsible for the actions of their intoxicated guests. If an overserved or underage customer causes an accident or gets into a fight, the person who served the drinks could be left holding the bill for things like medical bills, property damage, court loss, and legal fees. Dram shop insurance can help cover common claims you might face while serving alcohol. For example, if an intoxicated customer causes a car accident or gets into a fist fight, you could be held financially responsible. Luckily, your policy can absorb the cost so you aren't paying out of pocket. If you're looking for dram shop insurance to protect your business, Flip has you covered. Our policy starts at $200 a year and provides essential protection from alcohol-related claims. Get your instant quote and get covered in 10 minutes or less, all through our stress-free online app at flipprogram.com.